So as I was saying, I would then, after having our staff meeting as a whole and creating our plan out of the four choices, I would then have a follow-up meeting to finalize the implementation. After that implementation and finalization meeting, staff would then have 2 weeks to begin their implementation across all curricular areas. As the vice principal, then I would schedule a check-in walkthrough with the teachers within that 2-week period. We would then meet again after that 2 weeks and finalize any changes that needed to be made or any issues that arose that would need to be addressed, getting staff's input throughout, allowing for that collaboration and communication. That open line of communication is essential for this to work. Throughout, we would continue to revise as needed. Any successful implementation or positive assessment outcomes would be presented to the school board throughout the school year. My program standard is below, and throughout the components and program standard is highlighted throughout my presentation. Thank you very much.